Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm really excited today because I get to show you how I created these amazing Halloween images using ChatGPT and Dall-E 3. So let's get to it. Today we're going to be using ChatGPT and Dall-E 3 and we're going to create some really nice imagery for Halloween. I finally have access to Dall-E 3 within ChatGPT. I know that because if I start a new chat, and I click on GPT-4, I can see I have Dall-E 3 beta access. I'm also going to be using AutoExpert version 5. This is used to add custom instructions to ChatGPT, and I find this really works well for creating prompts to use with Dall-E 3. You enter that under the dot 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 on the bottom left of your screen, and then there's custom instructions, and it's really just copy and paste the AutoExpert. So let's start a new chat, GPT-4. First, I'm going to generate the prompts, so I don't need to use DALL-E 3 yet. And I have here a list of steps that I'm going to do and the prompts I'm going to use. So the first prompt we're going to do without any text headline. So DALL-E 3 actually adds really good text into images. So I'm going to do both. I'm going to have it generate images without text, and then I'm going to have it generate images with text, such as Happy Halloween. So here's the first without the text. So V5, if you use AutoExpert, that just means give me the most detail as possible. So I'm going to replace holiday with Halloween, and everything else can stay the same. I'm asking it to be very creative. It can choose the artistic style, the characters, the setting, and the mood. And what's great about AutoExpert is it goes into an analysis of how it comes up with the prompts. And it even gives, so on the top, you'll see it gives you possible keywords. So these would be great keywords to add if you were posting this on a stock photography site or Twitter or Instagram, if people are searching for those concepts. And then it gives you a plan of how it's going to come up with the prompts. Drawing from expertise in art history, screenwriting, and creative direction, I will create 2 unique prompts for Dall-E 3. These prompts will focus on Halloween scenes and incorporate imaginative elements for artistic style, characters, settings, and mood. Since you've requested verbosity level 5, that means I want it very detailed. Each prompt will be thoroughly detailed to capture the subtleties of the envisioned artwork. So here's our first prompt, and it can continue so we can get our second prompt. Prior to recording this video, I had asked ChatGPT the same question, and it gave me generate a surreal Halloween painting where classic art meets Halloween. Floating pumpkins replacing clouds, a starry night sky filled with ghosts, and Salvador Dali's melting clocks draped over scarecrows, all set in a dreamy autumn forest. So you could notice the clock makes an appearance in this one, but the one I found I liked the most was this one. And it still has the Dali clock and ghosts and pumpkins as clouds. I thought this was really great. So let's paste in the new one that we just got. So I'll select it, copy. We'll go to this. This is a Dall-E 3, so I'll just paste this as a new message. And we'll also see how long it takes to generate. Wow. It only gave me 3 images this time. So let's see. Those are really detailed. And that does look like a Halloween feast. It took about 30 seconds. And these are all 1024 by 1024. Oh, wow. That is pretty insane. Ooh, I like that. Vampires. Now let's check out the second prompt. A magical Halloween night interpreted through the lens of Impressionism. featuring a harvest moon over a pumpkin patch where mythological creatures are casting spells, framed by the soft, swirling colors of an enchanted forest backdrop. Copy. I'll go back to our Dall-E 3 tab, paste that in. Again, it took about 30 seconds. And let's see. Very nice. Central focus is a luminous harvest moon. We got the moon up top, illuminating a pumpkin patch. Okay. Within the patch, various mythological beings like satyrs, dryads, and griffins, wow, are engaged in magical activities. I see that. Now to generate images with text within the images, I pasted the following prompt, which includes at the end, also make sure to add the holiday name in text so that it stands out to the viewer. And here's the prompt it gives us. A whimsical Halloween tableau, rendered in the style of a surrealist painting, set in a cosmic void where celestial pumpkins orbit a black hole. The word Halloween is emblazoned across the sky in constellations, and classic Halloween characters are reimagined as cosmic entities. That sounds wild. So I'll copy and I'll paste it into my Dall-E 3 tab. And that took about 30 seconds. And here we see Halloween. There's that celestial pumpkins of varying sizes, yes, and colors orbit a swirling black hole. Wow, pretty intense. Here it's spelled Halloween wrong. Here, cut off the H. So the first one is the one that actually has it all spelled out correctly. So that's the one I'll post to my Twitter. But still, pretty cool. Pretty cool what images come out. This one doesn't have the word Halloween at all, but it looks awesome. This does too. I could probably just crop the bottom or crop the word Halloween out because it's still a pretty awesome imagery. There's a skeleton, there's a witch, there's Dracula. Same thing with this. The bottom would make a really nice banner. There you have it. I hope this helps you make some good prompts and some good images in Dall-E 3.